Good morning, it's Dave at ATI Watch Reviews. Please smash the like button and please hit that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. Little wristwatch check. Oh yes. Addies Dive Value Insanity. 39mm 200 m water resist GMT quartz with a snowflake hands, which is, in my opinion, one of the main reasons why you should buy this watch. But the value on this thing is absolutely insane. I can't believe how light it is, and I can't believe how good value it is. I'm really happy with this purchase. There's going to be a review up on the channel shortly. But this video is actually an unboxing of a watch brand that's never been on my channel before. And this watch is not exactly new. It's been out for a few years now, but I finally decided to pick it up in the latest AliExpress sale. And it's from good old Heimdallr. Now, they do some really nice dive watches, homages, and I had to pick this up because this watch, well, the original that it's based upon, is regarded, well, it's a classic, very popular dive watch by a big brand, Japanese brand beginning with S. Oh God, that is beautiful. Wow. Now this is the Heimdallr Monster V2 with a frost dial. Wow, that looks pretty sick. How many micro adjusters have we got? Oh, 3. That's not too bad. I thought it was only 2 then. Wow, I'm liking it. Now this is 42mm or 41.6, but we'll round it up to 42. NH36A. Fully solid stainless steel bracelet and clasp. PVD black bezel. Obviously it's a dive bezel. Fully loomed indices and hands. Obviously you've got the date complication with 200 m water resist, and it's got the looks of you know what. It's homaging it very, very well. Now, I was in two minds about whether to buy the frost one or the non-frosted version. I thought, you know what, I will pick up the frost one to see what it's like in person. And it is striking. That dial is pretty beautiful. Wow, that dial has to be seen in person to believe it. It is absolutely stunning. I'm really glad now that I got it in the frost version. That is a really nice looking watch. I love black, blue and silver. When they put together, it is just a treat. That has got some weight on it. There is an argument that this could be an ultimate dive homage watch, and I think that is true. First impressions are very, very good. Let's have a check of the bezel. There's quite a lot of resistance there, which is good. That feels really nice. Minimal to no black back play. That has got some weight to it. That feels really premium, and so far it's so good. The finishing looks really nice, and the clasp is actually pretty small. I thought it was going to be bigger. Heavy duty swing arms there. Look at the thickness of them. The clasp itself is a little bit tinny. I would have liked that to have been a bit thicker. But on initial impressions, the bracelet feels really nice. It does taper, but not significantly. I think on initial impressions, a tiny bit more taper would be better. But it is a dive watch. It is a tool watch after all. But so far, so good. Really glad I picked this up. It's been out for a while. Should have picked it up ages ago, but for whatever reason I didn't. I thought, you know what, I'm going to give Heimdallr a crack, and I have done, and I'm really glad I did. So initial impressions are very good. There is an affiliate link down below. If you want to pick it up, you can do, at no extra cost to you. I make a tiny bit of commission. I'm liking it so far. That's going to be a fantastic holiday watch. I'm going to have to take this to Thailand next time I go. I would have liked one more link in the bracelet, because that is at the limit, really. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rejig these around I'm going to probably take a couple of these out and put them on the other side, because I have the 6 o'clock side shorter so that the watch doesn't droop down too much when it's on my wrist, because I do like my watches now pretty loose. Just check that frost dial out, how stunning it is. Wow. I don't know how they've created it, but I'm definitely digging it. I'm glad I picked it up in frost, but it would probably look stunning in just the plain version as well. They do them in loads of different colours. This is Homage, a very big Japanese brand that the Japanese brand has very poor QC. I've never been impressed with their watches when I've had them, and I've had them before. I've had them before I had the channel, but maybe that has changed. But ultimately, some of the stuff they produce, yeah, are iconic, like, you know, design classics, but some of what they produce is very bland, and I don't like it. I'm not talking about Heimdallr, I'm talking about the other Japanese watch brand. But this, so far, I can't wait to get the full review up and get it on my wrist, get it tried out for a few weeks and get the full review up. But the initial impressions are very good. So that's the Heimdallr Monster V2 Frost, the Frost version. You can pick it up in loads of different colours. It looks absolutely stunning. It feels really well made and really premium. I hope that comes through on the review also, once I've had it on my wrist for a few weeks. There's an affiliate link down below. Make a tiny bit of commission, no extra cost to you. It's been Dave. Thanks for checking my content out. Have a great day.